Hi, good morning all of you. This is your solution video, Standard 5th, Chapter 7, Experiments with Water, Subject EVS। तो यहाँ पे हमारी सॉल्यूशन वीडियो है, ये शॉर्ट में हमारा सॉल्यूशन वीडियो है। इसको आपको क्या करना है, बस ध्यान से सुनना है और इसके बाद जो PDF रहेगी उसको आपको देख के लिखना है। तभी 1 बाय 1 हम क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे, तो आपको ध्यान से बस सुनना है अभी। ओके, अभी लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, अभी बस आप सुन लीजिए, उसके बाद फिर हम नोटबुक में लिखेंगे। तो आप देख रहे हैं आपकी बुक्स की सारी क्वेश्चन आंसर है, जो हमने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया सेम वही सारी क्वेश्चन आंसर है। तभी हम 1 बाय 1 क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे। आप देख रहे हैं टोटल 20 क्वेश्चन आंसर है इसमें। तभी हम 1 से स्टार्ट करते हैं। ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आयशा पुट ए पफ पूरी इन ए बाउल ऑफ वाटर, वुड इट सिंक और फॉल्ट। यहाँ पे है, अगर आयशा फूली हुई पूरी पानी से भरे बर्तन में रखती है तो वह तैरती है या डूबती है। ओके, फिर सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, तो उसका आंसर होगा ये इट वुड फॉल्ट। फिर सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, यू पुट ए स्टील प्लेट ऑन वाटर, वुड इट सिंक और फॉल्ट। व्हाट वुड हैपन टू ए स्पून। स्टील की प्लेट पानी में तैरेगी या डूबेगी। और चम्मच, आंसर इज if the steel plate is the put carefully over the surface of water, it would fall, however the spoon will sink. Third question is, would the cap of plastic bottle cap sink or fall on water? प्लास्टिक का ढक्कन डूबेगा या फिर तैरेगा। आंसर इज इट वुड fall. Next question is, have you seen that some things fall on water while others think how this happiness? Answer is yes. I think that when water displayed by anything is greater than its weight, it falls on water, otherwise it sinks. Next question is, find out from the other groups which things fall and which sank in the water. Answer is a football, a pipes of thermal fall on water, while a cricket ball, a spoon sink after doing the experiment right. The iron nail sank in the water, but the katori floated. I think this happened because the weight of water displayed by the iron was less than it, but the weight of water displayed by the katori was more than it. Next question. Take some water in a glass, put a lemon in it. Now keep putting salt in the water, half a spoon at a time. Were you unable to float your lemon in the water? Answer is yes. The lemon started to float on water. Next question is question number 7. What do you think the lemon floated in the salty water because? Answer is because after adding salt, water because stick. ये आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 जो हमने बुक्स में किया था सेम वही वाला ये बॉक्स है, तो आपको ये देखकर बस अपने नोटबुक में लिख लेनी है। ओके, चारों का हमने एक्सपेरिमेंट करके भी देखा था, ऑयल का, चॉक पाउडर का, 1 स्पून मिल्क का। तो ये सारा आपको देख के ये बॉक्स वाली लिखनी है, सोल्यूशन में रहेगी, उसमें से आप देख के लिख लीजिएगा PDF में। फिर भी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9। Could you see the salt after it dissolved in water? If no, why? Answer no, because salt got dissolved completed into the water. Next question is question number 10. Does that mean that the water does not have salt? If it has, then where is the salt? Answer is, of course, water contains salt. It is a completed mixed up with water. Next question number 11. What difference did you see in water with salt and water with chalk powder after keeping for some time? Answer is, water and salt got mixed together, completed, while chalk powder selected down at the bottom of water. Question number 12. Which of the two would you be unable to from the water by stirring with a cloth, salt or chalk powder? Answer is, we can split chalk powder by stirring with a cloth. Next question number 13. Do you think the oil destroyed in the water? Why do you think so? Answer is, I do not think so because oil is in water. Next question is, you also try to do the same and then which drop went ahead? Why did they slide faster? Answer, the water drop went ahead. It happens because water does not stick on the tiffin box but the sugar and oil drops stick. Question number 15. One day I saw mother put some water to boil on the stove for making tea. She got busy with some things and forgot about it. When he remembered and came to check, they found only a few drops of water left in the pan. Think, where did the water go? तो यहाँ पे आंसर होगा उसका द वाटर. फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. Why did Chittu Babu and Chinna Babu keep their mango jelly in sun? Answer is, then did so too water from their mango jelly. Question number 17. At your house, what things are made by drying in the sun? Answer is, eatables like mango jelly, papad, and potato chips are made by keeping in the sun. Question number 18. You have washed your handkerchief and you went to dry it quickly. What all can do you? Answer is, for that first the water from the handkerchief should be out and then it should keep in the sun of present. Question number 19. What things do you put in water to make tea? Which of these things dissolve in water? Answer is, to make tea, we add milk, tea leaves and sugar into the water. Out of this, milk and sugar get dissolved. Question number 20. You have been given some mystery pieces, lumps of sugar. Suggest some ways to dissolve them quickly. Answer is, to dissolve the mystery quickly, first it should be crushed to make powder. Then after adding into water, the mixture should be starting thoroughly. The mix could also be ahead over then flame to dissolve the mystery quickly. तो यहाँ पे आपका सॉल्यूशन वीडियो भी समाप्त होता है. अब इसके साथ आपके पास इसकी क्वेश्चन आंसर की PDF फाइल भी है, तो वो आपको ओपन करना है और ओपन करके क्वेश्चन आंसर अपने नोटबुक में आज की डेट डालकर सुंदर राइटिंग से आपको कंप्लीट करनी है. आप धीरे धीरे लिखिएगा पर पूरा कंप्लीट कीजिएगा नोटबुक में. फिर आपको याद भी करनी है क्योंकि अभी आपकी एग्ज़ाम आने वाली है ना, इसलिए. ओके, थैंक यू.